Okay, just state your name and who you are and why you called me and all that other neat stuff.
I'm Mark Campbell with Renewable Energy Solutions. I called Troy because we did a recent geothermal installation in a customer's home this past summer. And the customer did pretty well through the summer. The electric bills weren't a significant savings over the conventional air conditioning, so there was a little concern there. But we wrote that off to the fact that we removed an oil-fired water heater and installed an electric water heater. So we made an assumption there that the electrical consumption was regarding the domestic hot water. Well, it came wintertime. The customer has had unbelievable electric bills, and we've spent countless hours out here going through the geothermal system, trying to find any deficiencies that we possibly could with it, unsuccessfully. Finally, we decided that we needed to crawl around the house a little bit and kind of see what was going on. And just in my limited knowledge of building science, there was some obvious problems with air infiltration in the home. So I called Troy, and here today we've gone through the house and discovered that we've got just an unbelievable amount of infiltration in this home. I believe it was 4.3 times the amount that the house should have. The homeowner has about 2,100 square feet of living space here, and his kilowatt hour usage for last month was 7,000, which is just, I've never seen anything like it in my life. And upon today's evaluation, I now understand why.
So what do you think of the process that we used?
The process, I just think it was a tremendous way to identify the skills that you had in determining what to look for, where to look for it, and the equipment to use was incredible.
Okay. What was the biggest value you think you got out of today?
The biggest value is, number one, being able to look the customer in my face and say, you know, that the geothermal installation is only as efficient as the home, and we've got problems that we need to address, that we've identified these problems, and I think we're going to have a real happy customer.
Okay. How do you think this is going to change how you present information to the homeowner?
Oh my goodness. This is obviously a retrofit. We do a tremendous amount of new work, geothermal installations, which we work closely with the builders on the installation envelope and things like that. But going into a retrofit, you make a lot of assumptions, and I've learned not to assume, to use the resources that are available so that you can build value into what you're offering your customer.
Good. Now, would you recommend me?
Absolutely. To anybody and everybody, including myself. Every single retrofit that I have moving forward, this is going to be step one.
Very good. Well, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you.